All right, welcome back, operator. You've already walked through the code. Now it's time to prove that you can read it. This is your follow-up challenge for Domain 1, IT Concepts and Terminology. We'll revisit everything you've learned, the computing cycle, notational systems, units of measure, and troubleshooting, all hidden inside the matrix. Each question will test whether you can see beyond the screen and spot the logic beneath. So get comfortable, trust your training, and remember, in the world of tech, understanding the system means you can bend it. Okay, question 1. When Neo first plugs into the matrix, what phase of the computing cycle is he initiating? A. Processing. B. Input. C. Output. D. Storage. And the correct answer is B. Input. He's sending data into the system. Input, processing, output, storage is the same logic every computer and the chosen one follows. Okay, question 2. What stage converts raw data into meaningful information? A. Input. B. Output. C. Processing. D. Storage. And the correct answer is C. Processing. The matrix servers crunch code to render skyscrapers and agents. That's CPU time in action. Question 3. When Neo instantly learns a new skill, which computing stage is demonstrated? A. Storage. B. Input. C. Output. D. Processing. And the correct answer is C. Output. The system delivers results to the user. Output equals displaying the outcome, even if it's extreme, like the outcome being to become a martial arts genius. Question 4. Which component keeps data for later use? A. CPU. B. Storage. C. RAM. D. Input device. The correct answer is B. Storage. Remember, all illusions reside in memory banks. Without storage, the matrix forgets the spoon. Question 5. Binary represents data using which two values? A. 0 and 9. B. 1 and 10. C. 0 and 1. D. A and F. And the correct answer is C. 0 and 1. Binary is the falling green code, pure on-off logic, the language of the matrix. Question 6. Hexadecimal is base 16. Which digits and or letters does it use? A. 0 through 7. B. 0 through 9 and A through F. C. A through Z. D. 0 through 15. Correct answer is B. 0 through 9 and A through F. Each pair of hex characters equals a byte of binary bliss. Neo sees it cascading down the screen. Question 7. Which system do humans normally use? A. Binary. B. Decimal. C. Hexadecimal. D. Octal. The correct answer is B. Decimal. Base 10 equals 10 fingers, 10 toes, the original human interface. Question 8. A gigabyte is roughly how many megabytes? A, 10, B, 100, C, 1000, D, 1 million. And the correct answer is C, 1000. Remember, think of storage like pantries. Megabyte equals mini fridge. Gigabyte equals full fridge, and so on. Question 9. Processing speed measured in gigahertz refers to what? A. Bits stored. B. Cycles per second. C. Voltage. D. Catch size. The correct answer is B. Cycles per second. A gigahertz CPU spins billions of times per second. Remember, overclocked like Agent Smith. Question 10. Which unit measures how fast data moves through a network? A. Bits per second. B. Watts. C. Bytes per second. D. Packets per inch. The correct answer is A. Bits per second. Throughput is the water pipe of the matrix. Bits per second tells you how fast the flow is. Question 11. If 1 byte equals 8 bits, how many bits are in 256 bytes? A. 2048. B. 512. C. 32. D. 64. And the correct answer is A. 2048 bits. 8 times 256 equals 2048. Remember, the matrix always calculates precisely. Question 12. In the matrix, agents move quickly because their processors run at a higher what? A. Storage capacity. B. Clock speed. C. Voltage. D. Network bandwidth. And the correct answer is B. Clock speed. More gigahertz equals more frames per second in reality. Cue slow motion dodging. Question 13. When a tech checks different theories to fix a problem, which troubleshooting step is it? A. Identify the problem. B. Test the theory. C. Verify functionality. D. Document results. The correct answer is B. Test the theory. Remember, Neo takes the red pill to test his theory about reality. Same methodology, different stakes. In troubleshooting, what's the first action a technician should take? A. Establish a theory. B. Document findings. C. Identify the problem. D. Replace hardware. The correct answer is C. Identify the problem. Remember, before Neo escapes the Matrix, he notices the glitch. Problem identified. Question 15. Looking up manuals or forums aligns with which step? Research the issue, verify the solution, implement a fix, establish a theory. The correct answer is A. research the issue. Remember, Morpheus didn't wing it. He researched the prophecy before acting. Question 16. After testing a theory and confirming the cause, what comes next? A. Verify the fix. B. Plan and implement the solution. C. Identify the problem. D. Research. And the correct answer is B. Plan and implement the solution. Remember, Neo unplugs from the pods, the action phase of troubleshooting. Question 17. Why is verification important after a fix? A. To ensure the problem is solved. B. To reset the machine. C. To create backup logs. D. To order new parts. The correct answer is A. Ensure the problem is solved and prevent recurrence. Remember, Neo tests his powers after training. Verification complete. Question 18. Why record troubleshooting steps and results? A. To earn style points. B. To avoid paperwork. C. For future reference and knowledge sharing. D. To reset logs. The correct answer is C. Future reference and knowledge sharing. Zion's crew keeps records so future recruits don't repeat the same mistakes. Question 19. What is the main purpose of IT concepts and terminology training? A. Memorize movie quotes. B. Understand underlying systems. C. Install hardware. D. Code in binary by hand. The correct answer is B. Understand underlying systems and logic. Seeing the matrix code equals understanding how technology really works. Final question. What does the matrix metaphor teach future techs? A. Fear hardware. B. Ignore users. C. Identify the root cause. D. Always reboot first. And the correct answer is C. Look beyond surface symptoms to root cause. Remember, Neo didn't just see the glitch. He found the system behind it. That's real IT insight. All right, simulation complete. You've walked through the digital world, decoded the symbols, and proved that you can see the system beyond the screen. Congratulations, you've mastered Domain 1, IT Concepts and Terminology. The lessons you just tested aren't just exam facts. They're the foundation of every technology you'll ever touch. If this quiz helped lock in some knowledge, please drop a like, share with another trainee, and subscribe for more matrix-style breakdowns of the CompTIA Tech Plus journey. Until next time, stay curious, stay sharp, and remember, in IT, as in the Matrix, understanding is freedom.